Hello my alien students, welcome back. So we are in this class, we're going to teach you, and I'm going to teach you something called as trouser piece. Okay, trouser means what? Pant. Okay, so what is the story is, it's a very simple story. Okay, let's say this is the width. Okay, and then we have one duct coming going like this and one branch going like this, isn't it? Okay, let's suppose, okay, this is, we're going to take two cases. Okay, one is equal width, in the sense, let's say this is W by 2, this is also W by 2. Okay, so this should make life easy, isn't it? Okay, the rule is here as follows. Okay, this is one condition. Okay, let's keep this, okay, W by 2, let's say this is Y and this is Y equal. Okay, so let's say W is equal to Y plus Y, isn't it? Okay, but the condition is as follows. This most important bend. Okay, this is actually elbows, two elbows are here. So this would be, let's say, W by 4 if you want short radius. Okay, this is the most important. This, which W? Main branch W, this W. Okay, so what we'll do is, listen, if in my opinion, let's just first measure this. It looks like 900. Okay, this is just playing games with you, but it is 900, I believe, isn't it? Let's say, okay, 900. Okay, if you have confusion, just 900, isn't it? Okay, so what we'll do is, let me just first rub my alien work, draw a line, wrong layer, but okay, listen, right, add, click, add selected, add selected. Hello, beautiful. Okay, now let's say W is how much? 900 divided by 2, 450, offset 450, going down. Okay, this is not the story. The story is here. Okay, we need to know width. So we'll say fillet means around corner, radius how much? 900 divided by 4 to 5. Okay, this one and this one, same story, this guy and this guy. Okay, we can remove this beautiful story. Okay, then offset. How much offset? This distance, this end to this end, how much? Something it is. We said what? Offset, specify distance, one point to other point. What you want to offset? This guy, same story. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then trim, I think that's it. Line from, let's say, this corner to this corner. Okay, this is how you create trouser piece, like trouser pant, isn't it? Pant. Okay, now another question is, this was if it was equal. Let's suppose take another scenario. Okay, where, okay, let's just take another scenario. Let's draw this guy somewhere here or something. Okay, let's draw 145-degree elbow, so you'll be happy, isn't it? Match layer, match properties. Where is match properties? Okay, what is it called? Fillet. How much? W by radius. Okay, offset. I do not know the distance. Let's say measure this point to this point. Okay, this is clear now. Why did we do this? We wanted to create one more branch. Let's create it upwards. Just give me an example. Okay, we said fillet, offset, match properties. Okay, Okay, our aim was, let's say this is 900, isn't it? Okay, this is 900. Now we want to divide it into two things, two branches. One will be here, and we'll give an example, okay? And one is here. This is 900. Let's say one is 600. Okay, another one offset 300. Okay, now is the story. Okay, what you have to understand is, okay, we said what? Fillet radius divided by 4. This one's divided by 4, that is 225. Okay, this guy with this guy, then this guy with this guy. Okay, now you understand offset this distance with this distance, which object? This guy. Similarly offset this corner to, don't take this corner, take other one, offset this one to this one, that is 600. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Okay, I'm giving, actually it would have been other. Okay, but you get the question. Doesn't make sense if it is going upward. It would have been okay. Anyway, you get the story. Match properties, isn't it? Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class on the trousers. What we'll learn in the next class, what I have not taught you the neck, shoe neck, isn't it? So in the next class I'll teach you how to do the shoe neck. Okay, see you fresh in the next class. Yalla, bye.